Good morning, everyone! I woke up so early, the sun is already out, and I'm feeling incredibly happy and ready for the day. Now I am making my bed. I am brushing my teeth.
I am washing my face.
Now I am having breakfast. I am ready for the day. I am collecting dirty clothes. I am putting the clothes in the washing machine. I am adding detergent to wash the clothes. I'm waiting for the laundry. Ah, that's just perfect. The laundry is now dry, and I am hanging it up on the rack. First the towel, then the shirt, now the socks.
I cook in the kitchen.
I relax in the living room.
I sleep in the bedroom.
I wash my hands in the bathroom. Can you guess which room is my favorite? I think I'll wear this one. It feels just right. I am putting on my clothes. I am putting on my shoes. I am taking my bag. I am ready to go.